Dekat sini nature, wildlife is very real. Nampak tak tu ada itik? Ada rabbit. Sabar sekejap. See? There's a rabbit there. And there's a duck there. There's a family of ducks by the river bank. And there's even a wild rabbit there. See, they're eating so peacefully, minding their own business. This is wildlife. It's not orang pelihara ni tau ni kat tengah-tengah bandar ni, kat kedai falafel. Kita makan kat tepi sungai ni. Ni yang kita nampak. Kat situ tu ada itik tu kan. Itik wild. Kepala dia hijau. Pesen itik sini memang kepala dia hijau ni. Lepas tu ada macam collar tu kan. Kalau kat Singapura ni orang dah ambil dah, sembelih dah. There's a river. Nanti kita jalan kat park tu Okay, bye. Ni kedai falafel. Tu dia makan. My daughter. Dah habis? Kau punya salad apa terjatuh tu?
Alah, biasalah.
Okay? I don't know lah whether see my face.
Okay, bye Khatijah fans.
Nampak tak?
Nampak.
Kita kawan kan. Ada orang lain kadang kenangin dan jalan. Kita watch, kita share. Allah, beg aku. Kita share kan. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Okay, bye.